overlooking our blue planet, we would be amazed by this breathtaking view. On a broad expanse of oasis, there resides over 1,000 World Heritage Sites in over 100 countries. Migratory bird sanctuaries along the coast of Yellow Sea-Bohai Gulf marks the beginning of how World Natural Heritage Sites in China have migrated from the land to the sea. This is a magical land where nature takes full control. A great piece of work jointly created by the great sculptors of the Yangtze River and the Yellow River. Here remains a vast expanse of intact natural silt tidal flat. The periodical inundation and exposure caused by the tidal force created this unique radial submarine sand ridges. Vegetations in the wetland are like living sculpture, with a clear-cut structure in a variety of types and communities. Thanks to the magic nature, various species are able to dwell and prosper in a variety of habitat. All the life is connected in this wetland ecosystem, with millions of bird species staying here. 300 different microbes foraging and evolving here. They all play their part for the system and live in a harmony. As tide recedes at the end of spring, the wetland would instantly turn into a kingdom of migratory birds. Located in the middle ground of the migratory route, East Asian-Australasian Flyway, this wetland is home to spoon-billed sandpipers and Nordmann's green shanks, two of the world's rarest migratory birds. It is also the home to 17 species from the IUCN Red List. The wetland has drawn worldwide attention because of a large number of birds and has become the World Natural Heritage Site in China, where international connection remains tight. During the breeding season for summer migratory birds, Saunders gulls and egrets will come here to breed. When the cold winter sets in, all the species would get ready for the whirling snow. Citizens of the wetland kingdom are expecting their winter visitors, such as red-crowned cranes, which travel here every winter. On the muddy open forest swamps, Milu deer from the Dafeng Reserve are foraging for green grass. They live here in flocks and are bringing forth a new kingdom. This World Natural Heritage Site is densely populated, which is rarely seen elsewhere, provides important livelihood for residents around. People of Yancheng City have lived here for generations, adhering to the belief of respecting and protecting the nature while inheriting and carrying on their culture. As we develop our civilization on this planet, we would always hold awe and reverence for the nature.
In 2020 in China.
On behalf of the 8 million people of Yancheng City, I would like to invite you to Yancheng to visit our unique wetlands.
In 2019, the Migratory Bird Sanctuaries along the coast of Yellow Sea-Bohai Gulf of China, Phase 1, was inscribed on the World Heritage List. In the future, we will apply for the Phase 2 project by giving a full play to the advantages of the Yellow Sea wetland in Yancheng City. We aim to expand ecological conservation and develop Yellow Sea Bay Rim Eco-Economic Zone so that an eco-economic community with a shared future can be built. There is a lot yet to do, as we all know that no other planet can nurture and enlighten us as Earth does.